Even the best video in the world becomes irrelevant if nobody sees it. So, once you've created your video content, you want to make sure to set it up for maximum visibility, searchability, and reach. The thing is, how you do that is very different from one platform to another. It's a little complex to say the least. You definitely want to upload to YouTube. It is the world's second largest search engine after all. You also want to upload your video directly or natively to whatever social platform you're going to promote through, and you want to optimize those videos for maximum reach. For more info on how to optimize your content, particularly on YouTube and LinkedIn, click the link below to get our definitive guide to video marketing for small business. And that's a wrap. I hope these videos have been helpful, and if you have any other questions, please get the guide or reach out to us. Thanks for watching.